Rebel star Ambrish will be returning to Bengaluru today after going to Singapore for treatment and spending some time in Malaysia. The Monday the Gandu is all set to return to Nama City. He is set to reach by 11:30 in the morning and will then make his way to his JP Nagar residence, where he will address a press conference at 4 p.m. Ambrish's house has been decked up for a grand welcome.
One small, just 1 minute.
Well, my colleague Verghese catches up with Ambrish's close aide Amravati Chandrasekhar. Over to you, Verghese.
ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರೇ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಈ ಅಂಬರೀಷ್ ಅನ್ನು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿ ಅಣ್ಣವ್ರನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾನದಿಂದ JP ನಗರ ಮನೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಡ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನಗಳು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ JP ನಗರ್ಗೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ VIPsಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಈಗ
ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ
ಮನೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಹೌದು.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೋ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ CHC ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಈಗ ಅಂಬರೀಷ್ ಅವರು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಾ ಮಂಡ್ಯಗೆ?
ಅವರು ಬರಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾವುಗಳು ಬೇಡಿ ನಾಳೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಾಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ನಿಡಘಟ್ಟ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಸಿಟಿ ಕರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
ಈಗ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರೇ ಮಂಡ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರೇ ಮಂಡ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಈ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಗಾಗಿ?
ಮಂಡ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಸಿರು ತೋರಣಗಳು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಈ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ನೀತಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಟ್ಔಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅದು ಇದು ಹಾಕಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಆದ್ರೂ ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೋಟರ್ ಬೈಕ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನ ಮೋಟರ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಡಘಟ್ಟ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಇಂದ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಪಟಾಕಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಪಟಾಕಿ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಬಹಳ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಟಾಕಿ ಒಂದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಕಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರೋಣ ಮಂಡ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ನಾಳೆ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ JP ನಗರ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ? ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, JP ನಗರ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಇವತ್ತು
ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣವ್ರು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಡಿಶಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣವರನ್ನು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? ಏನೋ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸು ಅದು
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಮರಾವತಿ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರೇ. Thank you for joining with News 9. So, Akshita, as you can see, in fact, a great preparation is happening in JP Nagar House. In fact, they're also expecting a large crowd of fans also to come to that house, and in fact they've prepared all sweet dishes and all that for their rebel star as such. And in fact they're expecting stalwarts of the Congress party also to be coming to the house. And in fact Ambrish has told people not to ensure that everyone come to the house because he doesn't want any traffic jams or problems. And he also asked his fans not to burst crackers because it could disturb the peace of the place. So he's just saying that everyone come home and let us make it a quite an interesting one. And he's asked his fans and especially his supporters to ensure that they don't create any traffic jams or sorts or create any noise pollution as such. They've just asked him to have a quiet welcome back scenario for them, Akshita.
Right, Verghese, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. But of course, a grand welcome being organized for Ambrish there by his closest friends as well as party men. But more than anything else, they are also going ahead and appealing to the people, to the fans, that they not create too much chaos on the streets. Of course, it is going to be a very big day for all Ambi fans. They've been waiting for this day for months now, and they will be happy to say the least expecting a huge crowd outside his house as well. As soon as he arrives at about 11, he will be going to his JP Nagar residence where several people will be coming together, and it will be a simple but at the same time a very special welcome for the rebel star. Well, Tollywood films coming from the mega-star Chiranjeevi family may be a strict no-no for some Telangana politicos, but the family's filmy background seems to have come in handy for the TRS in the allotment of this one assembly seat. Wondering how? Well, the TRS chief K. Chandrasekhar Rao had no qualms in picking Kancharla Chandrasekhara Reddy for the Ibrahimpatnam Assembly constituency.
Chandrasekhara Reddy is a leading educationist who owns a few engineering colleges in Hyderabad and Telangana. But he also has a more famous status of late. This he acquired soon after he gave his daughter Sneha Reddy in marriage to Tollywood star Allu Arjun. Now you know the connection, right? Sneha and Bunny tied the knot on March 6, 2011, ending a hush-hush love affair. The marriage was the talk of the town for quite some time because of the regions they come from. The stylish star of Tollywood is a member of the megastar family that hails from Seemandhra but became well entrenched in Hyderabad. Sneha Reddy's family comes with strong Telangana roots. The families needed a marriage to easily break the regional barriers and with grace. But that didn't come to the rescue of the mega family films in any way. What's worse, it's become a tradition for almost all the releases of the family heroes to be greeted with wild protests. But as they say, there is no better avenue than politics to exploit the cause of convenience to the hilt. Bunny's father-in-law Chandrasekhara Reddy has been active in the Telangana political circles of late. His fortunes, however, soared high when TRS President K. Chandrasekhara Rao recently invited him into the party. He was even allotted the Ibrahimpatnam Assembly constituency. The haste with which the TRS embraced Chandrasekhara Reddy had many wondering if Allu Arjun's huge film following has anything to do with the decision. The TRS is determined to wrest the power to form the first ever popular government in the soon-to-be created Telangana state. But fluctuating voter mood in the recent weeks predicts a tough road ahead for the Pink Party. If the current surveys are anything to go by, the TRS may just emerge as the single largest party, but with the Congress party right behind and closing in the gap. The TRS think tank is doing everything it can to sway the Telangana voters. The party is also reportedly of the view that the presence of Allu Arjun's father-in-law will also boost the vote share of party candidates in adjacent seats. As soon as the news broke out, film and political circles began punting on whether or not the stylish star would swing into campaigning and strengthen his father-in-law's hands. There were some who felt that the star cannot overlook his own uncle, megastar Chiranjeevi, and his Congress party to canvass for the TRS. But before the speculation could really spiral up, the stylish star reportedly set the record straight. Sources close to Allu Arjun stated that the star is in no mood to think politics at this time. Arjun is said to have quickly squashed the speculation about his support for his father-in-law in the elections. Bunny and his wife Sneha were recently blessed with a baby boy. The couple is said to have been blissfully lost in its own world, spending their time with the new arrival. For Chandrasekhara Reddy, his celebrity Damad may be playing truant right when his presence is needed. But he's smart enough to understand that his mega family connection is more than sufficient to work wonders with the film-savvy voters of his constituency. Durga Prasad for News 9, Hyderabad.